A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Dear students of 11th class, you are fully aware that we are discussing the protozoan protists, and in our previous lecture we have studied the general characters of these protozoan protists, and we have also seen that these protozoan protists have been divided into 4 groups. Among those 4 groups, today we will discuss the first 2 groups. One is the Zooflagellates of phylum Zooflagella, and second group of these protozoan protists is the Sarcodina of phylum Sarcodines. So our today's topic is Zooflagellates and Sarcodina. So first of all, we will take the Zooflagellates of phylum Zooflagella, and we will discuss the general characters of this group of protozoan protists. The main general characters of these Zooflagellates are as under. Number 1, they occur as free-living, aquatic, parasitic, commensals, or symbiotic organisms. Some of them cause human diseases. This is the first general character of Zooflagellates, that they are free-living organisms and are found in aquatic habitats. They can be parasitic, or they can be living in a symbiotic association. Some of them can cause diseases in human beings. This is the first general character of Zooflagellates. Second general character is they are generally uninucleate organisms bounded by a forum pellicle. It means that they have a single nucleus, or they are single nucleus organisms, or generally we can call them uninucleate organisms, and are bounded by a cell wall which is called the pellicle. Third general character of these Zooflagellates is the body of these Zooflagellates possesses 1 to several flagella for locomotion and capture of food. It means that they are the organisms which contain flagella on their bodies for locomotion, for their movement and capture of food. Fourth general character is the mode of nutrition, how they capture their food. The mode of nutrition is holozoic, saprobic, and parasitic. That means 3 modes of nutrition are found in these Zooflagellates. One is holozoic, saprobic, and parasitic. Food is stored in the form of glycogen. Food is stored in the form of glycogen. Now regarding the reproduction, asexual reproduction of Zooflagellates is binary fission and cyst formation. It means that asexual reproduction takes place by binary fission and cyst formation. Now regarding the sexual reproduction, which is the 6th general character of these Zooflagellates, this sexual reproduction has been reported only in few forms of Zooflagellates. So these were the 6 main general characteristics of these Zooflagellates of phylum Zooflagella. Now we will take the second group of these protozoan protisters, which are called the Sarcodina of phylum Sarcodines. So regarding the Sarcodina, they have also the general characters. The first general character of these Sarcodines is that they grow as free floating in fresh and sea waters. It means they are found in the fresh and sea water and are floating on the water freely. Number second general character of sarcodines is they develop different types of pseudopodia for locomotion. It means that they have the false feet, pseudopodia, and those are developed by these sarcodines for their movement, for the locomotion. Now the third general character of Sarcodina is that the mouth is absent in these organisms. Mouth is not found. They are also uninucleate, binucleate or multinucleate. Three types of categories are found. They can be uninucleate, they can be binucleate or they can be multinucleate. That means either there is one nucleus found or two nucleus or more than two nucleus. Number fourth general character of Sarcodina is flagella is absent and nutrition is holozoic. There is only one type of nutrition, that is the holozoic, while as the flagella are absent. Now the reproduction, asexual reproduction occurs by binary fission, multiple fission and budding. So three categories of asexual reproduction are binary fission, multiple fission and budding. The sixth general character is the sexual reproduction. This sexual reproduction occurs by syngamy. It occurs by syngamy. So this was all about these two groups of protozoan protisters, Zooflagellates and Sarcodina. So we have discussed in our today's lecture the general characters of the Zooflagellates and the general characters of Sarcodina. I hope you have understood now this general characters of these two groups of protozoan protisters. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you very much.